our laboratory is very interested in understanding why people with type 2 diabetes have such extensive complications. They end up with wound healing problems, and we want to help these patients, especially since the number's increasing pretty dramatically in the US over the last few decades, deal with these complications. So our laboratory starts with basic science research, and we translate that into patient studies.
I'm looking at obesity and how it affects the body. Specifically, we're targeting barrier tissues such as the skin and the small intestines.
In Dr. Jamieson's lab, she's known to study T cells, and she's also known for wound healing studies as well. So we're taking patients and we're taking their samples and we're studying them in a laboratory setting, and we're particularly focusing on their immune response, even more specifically the T cell response under those conditions.
And we study how these cells produce growth factors to enable the environment to prosper. And once we understand how these cells cross-talk to each other, we can actually then find targets for drugs that potentially could be useful for the biomedical community. I think the students find that these projects are easy to grasp, but I think that they're also easy to feel really fill their heart in, put their heart into.
It's just very rewarding at the end. After you do all the research, all the hands-on experiments, after you analyze all your data, you look at all the pictures, and then you see on your graph, this is the answer to my question.
Students actually get great hands-on biomedical research where other institutes, it's very difficult to get into the laboratories as an undergraduate, and they're getting great training.
I might just be a small fish in a huge sea, but this one project may change the lives of thousands of people. And it's really cool to know that thousands of people might get impacted by something I'm doing.